Life's internal secret. In this topic, we would learn about respiration, types of respiration, respiratory organs, and mechanism of breathing in human beings. Respiration. The process of release of energy from assimilated food is called respiration. Depending on the availability of oxygen, respiration is of two types: aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration occurs in the presence of oxygen, while anaerobic respiration occurs in the absence of oxygen. Respiration is a complex process which involves two distinct phases: breathing and cellular respiration. 1. Breathing or external respiration. Breathing involves movement which brings the air into the lungs and expels the air containing more of carbon dioxide from the lungs to the outer environment. Exchange of gases in and out of the blood also takes place simultaneously. 2. Cellular or internal respiration. It takes place in mitochondria of the cells to release energy in the form of ATP. Breathing or external respiration. Activity: take 2 test tubes and fill half of each test tube with freshly prepared lime water. In the first test tube, mark as A, blow air repeatedly from your mouth till a color changes is observed. In the second test tube, label as B, release air through syringe or picker. Here you will notice that test tube A show color change of lime water, that is from white to milky white, while the B test tube containing lime water unchanged. External respiration is a physical process. It involves taking in oxygen, air absorption of oxygen from it, and giving out air containing more carbon dioxide with the help of respiratory organs. Exchange of gases in animals. A great variety is seen in animals with respect to their organs of respiration, that is, gills, lungs, skin, etc. Exchange of gases in aquatic animals. An animal living in water uses oxygen dissolved in water. The solubility of oxygen in water is much lower, so the amount of oxygen available is much lesser than air. Hence, the rate of breathing is faster in aquatic animals. Fish take oxygen in water through the mouth and release it over the gills. Gills are the site for uptake of the dissolved oxygen into the blood by diffusion. Exchange of gases in terrestrial animals. Terrestrial animals take up oxygen from the air. The respiratory organs in different animals are different, but the process of diffusion is common. These organs have special structure which increases the surface area that is in contact with the oxygen-rich atmosphere. But these structures are delicate, so they are placed within the body. A special passage takes the air to these structures. Respiratory tract or breathing tract. The human respiratory tract starts with the nostrils. The air passing through the nostril is filtered by the fine hair that lines the passage. It also becomes moist and warm. The dust particles are trapped in the mucus. The respiratory tract includes external nostril, pharynx, larynx and trachea. The trachea or the windpipe is divided into two bronchi. One enters the right lung and the other the left lung. Respiratory organs or breathing organs. The respiratory organs are the lungs which lie in thoracic cavity on both the side of the heart. Within each lung, major bronchus divides into two bronchi and further into smaller and smaller bronchioles, which finally terminate into balloon-like structure called alveoli. The alveoli provides the surface of exchange of gases. The thin walls of the alveoli are closely surrounded by the network of the blood capillaries. The hemoglobin present in the RBCs of the blood absorbs the oxygen from the air present in the alveoli through the thin walls of the capillaries. At the same time, CO2 from the blood is released into the alveoli by diffusion, which goes out of the body when we breathe out. Mechanism of breathing in human beings. Inhalation. When the muscular diaphragm of the body relaxes, volume of the thoracic cavity increases and air pressure inside the cavity decreases. The air from outside enters the lung through the nostril and the alveolar sacs are filled with the air rich in oxygen. Exhalation. When a diaphragm contracts or becomes convex, the thoracic cavity decreases in volume. Lungs come to their original size, forcing the air outside the lung through the same path but in the opposite direction. Summary. Respiration is of two types, aerobic and anaerobic. Aerobic respiration occurs in the presence of oxygen, while anaerobic respiration occurs in absence of oxygen. Cellular or internal respiration takes place in the mitochondria of the cells to release energy in the form of ATP. In human beings, the respiratory organs are the lungs. In the next topic, we will learn about the gases exchange in plants and about mechanism of cellular respiration. And that was all in this topic. So keep learning till we come with the next topic. Bye-bye.